Hi, I'm Thomas, and this is a video from the how-to series of operating and troubleshooting UniGear ZS1 switchgear. This video is meant for you who want to learn the correct procedures or want to enhance your skills with some best practice tips. This video explains the isolating and energizing and outgoing line of a medium voltage switchgear. Before you start, make sure you obtain all the necessary permits and you wear the personal protective equipment as prescribed by your safe operation rules. As the first step, ensure that the circuit breaker is opened in test position and the earthing switch is opened. Check the indication on the panel operator interface and make sure there is no lock on the operating slot. The de-isolation is performed by racking the circuit breaker. Open the operating shaft, engage the lever with the shaft and rotate clockwise to reach the final service position. When you are racking the circuit breaker, be careful to maintain forward pressure with the handle towards the panel. Otherwise you might experience unsmooth movement and rattling sound. Racking the breaker in standard pace until you see positive indication that the breaker is fully in service position and you feel a hard stop in the rotational movement. Be careful and never use excessive force for racking the circuit breaker, as it might be interlocked. If you feel an increase in counterforce or you feel a hard stop soon after starting, please check the interlocks. The line is energized by closing the circuit breaker. Use the panel control interface to close the circuit breaker. The closing operation is typically interlocked, and all the interlocking preconditions must be fulfilled prior to closing the circuit breaker. If the circuit breaker doesn't react to closing commands, check the interlocking signals. That was easy, wasn't it? If you encountered any troubles performing this operation, I have more hints and troubleshooting tips for you. They are all captured in Closer, the ABB app which will guide you with the power of augmented reality. Download it using this link.